Hey YouTubers, if you have an LG washing machine that is just acting strange, not doing what it should, it may need to be reset, factory reset, and sometimes that'll bring back some of the functions. This one's acting a little weird. It has a selector switch dial that lights up, but when you turn it, it doesn't respond. Might be it needs a new module underneath, but you could try a reset first, and this could be something that would fix other problems that your washer might have. So this is the washer dryer model, but same for the washing machine. So first thing you would do is just turn off the power. Next, you're just going to unplug it. So we got it unplugged. And now we're going to press in on the power button for 5 seconds. Maybe go further, go 7 or 8 seconds. That'll clear out any power that's left in the RAM memory, the rapid access memory. And that should do the factory reset for you. So we're just going to press in on the power button for, let's go 7 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that's it. That's the factory reset. Then you can plug it back in, and probably the problem has gone away. If not, you may have to do a little bit more diagnostics, but that's a real quick reset that often works for the LG washing machine and also for the LG washer dryer, which is what this one is. So pretty simple. You just turn off the power first, then unplug it, and then press the power button again, at least 5 seconds. I would recommend maybe 7. And then when you let go, you can plug it in, and then probably your function has come back. That's the hard reset. Watching our video, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance, and also click the little bell notification button so we can send you weekly videos on all the different ways of fixing appliances around your home and saving you lots of money. So thanks again for watching, and please also press the like button for our video if this was helpful to you. Feel free to contact me at the email listed below, which is scottthefixitguy@yahoo.com.